Hello children, how are you? All are good? Well done. Students, we were learning about importance of vitamins and minerals, right? In the previous video, you have learned about vitamin, right? And now we will learn minerals and needs of physical exercise. Understood? So let's see minerals. Minerals are also important for keeping our body healthy like vitamins. Understood? Fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, eggs, meat, milk are rich sources of minerals. What are minerals actually? Minerals are the micronutrients that our body needs in a very less amount, right? But still the lack of minerals can make our body weak and malnutrient. Got it? A large number of minerals are present in our body and they help us to perform different functions, right? They make up 4% only of the body weight. Minerals such as iodine, it is found in salt. Iodine prevents a disease called goiter. That's why our parents buy only iodine salt, right? Students, you might have noticed that our parents always insist us to eat green vegetables, right? Why do they do so? Because green vegetables contain iron that is very useful for our blood. Our mother always insists us to drink milk. Why? Because calcium is found in milk that make our teeth and bones strong. Understood? So, we must drink milk every day. So, the calcium, iodine, iron and sodium, potassium, chlorine all are called minerals. Is it clear? Now, let's see some minerals and their sources and their needs. First, we see calcium. Calcium is an important mineral that makes our bones and teeth strong. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, curd and green vegetables and nuts, they are the good source of calcium. In the lack of calcium, bones and tooth decay. Second is potassium. It is also an important mineral required by our body. It is good for our muscles. It is found in bread, whole grain, cereals, green vegetables and fruits. Deficiency of potassium may lead to muscles weakness. Let's see iodine. Students, you might have heard the advertisement of iodine salt, right? Have you heard? अपने खाने में आयोडीन नमक का ही इस्तेमाल करें. सुना है ऐसा? That means salt contain iodine. So we should use salt in our diet so that we can get the proper amount of iodine because it prevents goiter disease. Now what is goiter? A big swelling of the neck gland is called goiter, right? Iodine is found in salt, fish and other seafood. Next minerals are chlorine and sodium. Students, tell me one thing. Have you ever visited to water park? Have you ever taken a bath in swimming pool? If the answer is yes, you have used swimming pool to take a bath. Then tell me, don't you know the water of swimming pool is dirty? Some people make the water dirty in different ways. If you know about it, then why do you go swimming pool? Because we know the water of swimming pool is continuously purified. We see very big machines that purify the water of swimming pools are there in water park, right? But the question is, how do the machine purify the water of swimming pool? How do they clean the water? We use chlorine powder to clean the water, right? And chlorine is a mineral. Hence, chlorine and sodium maintain water balance in our body and prevent muscles cramps. And they are found in salt, salty food and cheese. Clear? Next is iron. Iron is a mineral needed by our body. It helps in making blood. Iron is present in green leafy vegetables such as spinach and cabbage, and in fruits such as apple and bananas. Iron helps the body to produce hemoglobin. Now what is hemoglobin? The redness of our blood is due to hemoglobin. If there is no hemoglobin in our blood, our body will become white and we will feel weakness or tiredness, and this condition is called anemia. So the iron helps the body to produce hemoglobin, builds muscle cells, and it prevents anemia and tiredness. Understood? So these were all the minerals. These are as important as other nutrients and vitamins are, right? Students, whatever you have learnt in this chapter till yet, you might have noticed that milk contains all the nutrients. That's why milk is called complete food. These were all about the food and nutrients, right? Now we will see the role of physical exercise. Students, it is good to have balanced diet, right? But have you ever thought what will happen if we take diet only but don't move our limbs and body? Yes, we will become fatty. Extra food will store in our body and then we will feel hard to move and walk, right? Therefore, our body needs plenty of exercise to tone up the muscles, keep the body healthy and to improve the blood circulation. Understood? It keeps the body fit. Lack of exercise makes the body lazy and overweight. When you come to school, your teachers insist you to exercise, right? They insist you or not? Yes, of course, the teachers insist us to exercise. But you don't do properly, isn't it? Because you have become lazy. Am I right? But do you want to be lazy? No, we all want to be strong and fit, right? So it is very compulsory to have balanced diet and exercise regularly. Playing games such as football, hockey or tennis gives us enough exercise to tone up the muscles. For those who do not play games, so running and jogging can provide the physical exercise. These exercises should be done out in the open so that you can get fresh air too, right? But if you are unable to go out and exercise on some days, then what can we do? Do some exercise at home. In every condition, we have to do exercise, right? Because old saying is health is wealth. The people who take fast food such as pizza, burger, french fries and all fried fruits, they may get what they want in taste, but they cannot get what the body requires as nutrient. That's why make sure you eat only balanced diet and do plenty of exercise to stay healthy and fit. Clear?
Up next, high knee jacks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up next, high step march in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest time. Up next, back turns. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 19, 20. Up next, side deep squats. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 7, 8, 9,
That's what I'm talking
14.
about. Wait.
Rest time.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Congratulations! You've passed the 3 and go. Up next, jumping jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 29, 30. Rest time.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Up next, reach and squat. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rest time. Up next, running man. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 9, 10, 20, 21, 22. Rest time. Up next, the windmill. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. Rest time. Up next, arm circles. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20. Rest time. Up next, punches. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 19, 20. Rest time. Up next, mountain climber. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 14. Rest time. donkey kicks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! 1, 2, 3, 12. Up next, donkey kicks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! 1, 2, 11, 12.
That's all in this chapter. I hope you will not have any confusion, any doubt, no queries. But still, if you find any doubt, so you can ask me, right? What have you learnt in this chapter? At the end of the chapter, we have learned 2 important things to follow. First is, always have balanced diet only and avoid fast food or junk food. And second is, do plenty of exercise. Okay, there are homelands for you. In the first question, you have to write 2 examples of food that contains the following nutrients, such as name 2 food items that contains carbohydrates, right? Then 2 food items that contains vitamins, minerals, proteins and fats. Understood? And in the second question, fill in the blanks. And the second question is, fill in the blanks. The first point is, blank and blank are energy giving nutrients. So you have to write nutrients name, such as water, mineral, protein, carbohydrate, roughage, fat. Which of them give us energy? Second is, blank helps the body to fight diseases. That means which nutrients prevent diseases. Third is, water makes up blank of our body. How much percent of our body is made up of water? 20%, 30%, 60%, 80%, right? Fourth is, blank is important for proper digestion of food. Which nutrients help in digestion? Fifth is, we must not eat blank food. What kind of food we should not eat? And the last one is, food can be eaten in blank or blank form. In what forms can we eat food? Understood? Can you write the answer yourself? No need to take your parents' help. You will write the answer yourself. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.